The SketchUp Outliner lets you manage the components and groups in your model from a macro perspective. Opening the Outliner shows the nesting of components in the model in text form. You can move down the list, selecting names, and see each component highlight in the drawing scene. The name is highlighted dark blue when the component is selected. Double-clicking on a name in the list opens that component in the model for editing. The name turns light blue when the component is in edit mode. Single-click in a blank area of the outliner to close the editing session. Conversely, in the model window, clicking on a component highlights the name in the outliner. Editing a component in the scene highlights and expands the name in the outliner. Expanding the list shows you all the nesting levels within the model. Collapsing the list shows all the upper-level objects. To identify all occurrences of a component in the model quickly, set a filter in the outliner. Expand the outline. Now you can examine these instances easily. You can also move items into and out of a component. Let's move these stray posts into the pyramid component. Highlight the names and drag them to the new location. A more practical example would be a building where the tower element needs design changes. This is much harder to accomplish if the roof over the tower is separate from the tower. Edit the roof group and select the roof elements of the tower. Make a group of them. Now in the outliner, move the new group out of the main roof component into the tower component. Explode the group within the tower. Now editing the tower is more straightforward. Simply reverse the process to put the tower roof back within the overall roof of the building. Make a group within the tower. Move the group into the main roof. Then explode the group within the main roof. Another handy trick with the outliner is to have a placeholder component hidden in the model. By moving groups and components into and out of this hidden component, you can display and hide things within the model while you work. Using the outliner makes keeping your work organized easier than ever.